Turmeric milk. Mix turmeric powder with warm milk to alleviate cough, soothe the throat, and boost immunity. Ginger tea. Boil fresh ginger in water. Add honey and lemon juice and drink to relieve congestion and cough. Tulsi tea. Boil tulsi leaves in water, strain, and consume to clear congestion, soothe the throat, and strengthen the immune system. Honey and ginger paste. Take a mixture of honey and freshly grated ginger multiple times a day to alleviate cough and cold symptoms. Ayurvedic herbal decoctions. Brew a combination of black pepper, long pepper, ginger, cinnamon, and holy basil to reduce cough, clear congestion, and enhance the immune system. However, it's advisable to consult an Ayurvedic practitioner or healthcare professional before trying these remedies, especially if you have underlying health conditions or take medications.